a 15-minute HIIT workout today. You're gonna be sweaty, but it's gonna be fun. Now, don't be alone in your fitness journey. Join the rest of the community on Instagram, YouTube, or Discord if you need some motivation. And as always, the full 3-week schedule is on my website. Smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and also subscribe with notifications turned on, and let's get started. We've got 4 sets with 32 exercises in this 15-minute workout, 20 to 30 seconds on and 10 to 20 seconds off. Let's start with loop squats. Do a squat, then have your hands loop under your thighs, then back up and repeat on the other leg. Make sure your back is straight, glutes and core are engaged. No rest here, we're going straight into butt kicks. Kick your feet upwards towards your butt. Let's pick up the speed here and get our heart rate up. Next, we've got lunge reach. Do a lunge, then jump towards the middle, then repeat on the other side. Make sure your front knee doesn't pass your toes, and for low impact, just do without the jump. We're going back to butt kicks again here. We've got 6 more exercises before we finish set 1. They're all nice and short, so keep pushing. Now stand upright with your feet shoulder width apart and have your hands upwards on either side, then chop downwards as you do a squat, and jump back up and repeat. For low impact, just do without the jump. We're back to butt kicks again. Make sure you're lifting your heels up high. Keep going, guys. Let's move on to high knees. Lift your knees up to your hips level as fast as you can, and for low impact, just take it nice and easy. Next, we have lateral jacks. Extend one leg out to the side as you lift your hands up while keeping them straight. Repeat on the other side, then do 2 regular jumping jacks and repeat. Just 3 more exercises to go, then we've got a break for you guys. Next, we've got pop lunge. Start with a lunge, then jump back to the middle, then repeat on the other side. Make sure your front knee doesn't pass your toes, and for low impact, just leave out the jump. Last exercise for set 1, guys. You got this. Let's do 30 seconds of lunges. Make sure you're pushing off from your front heel and use your back leg for support. Let's do this.
So good. If I said otherwise, it's probably fake.
Great work, guys. 15 seconds rest here. Pause the video if you need a longer rest. we're going to start set 2 with squat reach. Squat down as low as you can. Make sure your back is straight, glutes engaged and fingers touching the ground if you can. Then get back up with a jump and bring your feet back in. For low impact, just leave out the jump. Next, we've got cross jacks. Spread your arms out like so, keeping them straight, then cross over your legs and arms. Just like before, we're not taking any rest, just 8 more exercises to go. They're all nice and short, so don't give up on us, you got this. Next, we've got low kicks. Try to speed up here and make sure you're moving your arms as well. Keep moving, guys. Back to cross jacks again. It's not hard at all, we're just having some fun here. Keep going. Next up, we've got skaters. Hop to one side, balancing on one leg, then hop onto the other side. Make sure your back is straight and you're engaging your core here. Just leave out the hop for low impact, or if you're tired, it's totally okay. Back to butt kicks again, just 3 more exercises to go and that's set 2. Snowboard squats are next. Squat down low, then jump almost 180 degrees to the other side, then squat again. Make sure your butt is engaged, okay? Set 1 and 2 are the hardest and we're so close to finishing. Don't give up on us here. Next, we've got overhead high knee. Bring your arms up and one arm up the entire time while you're touching your opposite knee with one hand. You should be able to catch your breath here, so don't go floppy and make sure you're engaging your core and keeping your back straight. You're halfway through the workout, guys. The last exercise of the set is high knees. Lift those knees up as high as you can. You got this. Nice work, guys. That's set 2. Pause the video here for a longer break. We're starting the third set with lunge kick. Lunge down low, and as you come back up, kick your leg upward and squeeze your core as you do it. Make sure you're pushing through your front heel to get back up. Now onto the other side. Keep going. Now we're doing a simple jog in place to keep that heart rate up. Keep moving, you can do it, but if you need to take a break, it's totally okay as well. Now do a squat, and as you come back up, kick your heels towards your butt. Then repeat on the other side. Try to squat down as low as you can and engage your glutes. Back to another round of jog in place. See, I told you guys set 3 is easier and we're almost done. Just 2 more exercises and we'll have another break.
Is there a price I need to pay to make you stay with me tonight?
Next, we're doing a lateral lunge by taking one big step to the side while pushing your hips back, and as you come back up to the center, go into a curtsy lunge. Stay balanced, watch your form, and work those legs.
I'm not a monster to you. Whatever did I do to you? I love you, never threw you. I just want to live running happy ever after. With you if you want to.
Last exercise of the set. Let's do the other side. Keep going, we're almost there.
We're slaves to our past, it's okay. If our love is made of glass, hurt in the moment, totally frozen. Memories were meant to last.
That's set 3, guys. Pause the video for a longer break. Now get on the mat for the last set, and we're going to start with plank knee tuck. While in a high plank position, lift your leg upwards and drive it into your core and tuck it in. Then do the same on the other side. Make sure you're engaging your core.
Don't say we're slaves to our past, it's okay. If our love is made of glass, caught in the moment, totally frozen. Memories remain.
Now get on all fours and we've got bird dog. Lift your opposite hand and leg and then repeat on the other side. Don't arch your back, engage your core and your glutes. Just 4 more exercises to go, guys.
Don't say we're slaves to our past, it's okay. If our
10 seconds rest here and we're going into a low plank, and scorpions is next.
totally frozen. Memories remain to last.
Twist your hips to one side, having one knee bent and over the other leg like so, and repeat on the other side. Engage your core, you can do it. Now flip around and we've got bicycle crunch variation. Do a regular bicycle crunch, then tap your opposite foot with your hand, then repeat on the other side. Squeeze your abs. You're doing great, guys. Don't give up on me now. Just 2 more exercises to go. Next, we've got reverse crunch flutters. Lift your hips off the mat using your core muscles, then lower one leg down. Then repeat on the other side. And the final exercise is crunch pulses. Lift your shoulders off the mat using your core. Do not strain your neck. Use your core and pulse 5 times. Then repeat. We're almost done, guys. And that's the workout, guys. 15 minutes of fun. I hope you're feeling great. Please do leave me a comment down below as it really helps out my videos, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!